Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 2, learning how to write a college level essay, Javon Johnson essay, 120 points, 1,000 words, essay due March 1st, and peer evaluations due March 8th. All right, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. We have this animated click here icon. You have the overview for this assignment, the discussion rubric, how you're graded, and important information about a research paper to review in these 3 links. Okay, below that we have our due date for part 1, which is the essay. It's due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, March 1st. It's 100 points. All of the essay directions are right here. You have a link to a vocabulary word here, giving you the definition, and English 101 essay requirements. Please make sure you click on these links for the definition of the word coherent, if you're unfamiliar with it, and for the English 101 essay requirements. All right, scrolling down, we have the peer evaluations, which are part 2. They're due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, March 8th, and they are worth 20 points. If you think you will not submit this assignment on time, come over here to inbox and communicate with me. Don't send me a one-way email telling me you're going to be late with the assignment. Tell me what's going on and I'll agree or not agree to accept the assignment. All right? I'm always concerned when you submit an assignment late because they scaffold, they build on one another, and I need to know the reason why and figure out if I can help you. All right, I'm going to scroll down and show you something important in this discussion assignment that is in every assignment. Okay, so we see that Earl has already written his essay, and he's always quick to do so. And below Earl's essay, which is called His Thread, it's right below. I clicked on reply here, and I asked Earl a question. I'm very active in the discussions, and I will ask you questions below your essay, which is called your essay thread. And Earl responded to my question, and then look what happened. I asked him another question. Sometimes I'll ask you more than one question if your answer isn't clear to me or I want to make an additional point and have a discussion with you. Okay, Maria has also posted her essay very quickly, and I've asked her a question below her essay. Always respond to my questions, please, and you will have peer evaluations of your essays. So, for example, Maria is right here, her essay, and the thread below her essay, you can see my posting asking her a question, and I'm sure she'll have people evaluating her essay. She'll need to respond to every evaluation of her essay, as well as complete the peer evaluations. Now, remember, and I'm going to scroll back up to part 2. And by part 2, of course, I mean part 2 of the directions, and these are the essays. You're going to respond to 4 of your peers' essays, and these are the directions for the peer response or peer evaluation. And you're also going to respond to anybody who evaluates you. Remember, if anybody evaluates your essay, respond to the evaluation, and be sure to respond to any questions the instructor may ask you. You have the whole day after this assignment closes to respond to any evaluations of your essay and instructor questions. Now, this discussion closes on Sunday, March 8th at 11:59 p.m. So if somebody has evaluated your essay right around this time, you could be sleeping, so you have the whole of the next day, Monday, to make sure that you've responded to all evaluations. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox, and never hesitate to email me about something that's unclear to you. Teach me how to make it clear. All right, let's have a good week.